We know that there is a significant minority in our country of people who are gay or lesbian, and the issue really is not a numbers issue. The issue is around whether or not they, as equal citizens under the Constitution, have the right of access to marriage, an institution which we in Ireland rightly cherish. In that sense, some of the No people who would see themselves as conservative in terms of family values should recognise that gay and lesbian people wanting to be involved in the institution of marriage is in fact a very strong support to marriage, and I'm not sure that some of those people have thought about that.
Their view is that marriage is being redefined by this amendment, which is a fair view, isn't it? I mean, you know, we're proposing a very radical change.
Marriage has been extended to a relatively small group of our citizens who are gay and lesbian, who have had civil partnership, but civil partnership does not afford people the constitutional protection and indeed respect that marriage offers, and that's the key difference.